Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel Pearson at Excel Maths by Mr. Kamotha, and today I want us to introduce ourselves to a very critical topic in pure mathematics 1, and this is the topic of differentiation, which is topic number 8. And I want us to just talk about differentiation, and differentiation is something that we have had before because it's the approach they give when we want to calculate the gradient of curves. We have had this word differentiation before, and we all know that we differentiate to get the gradient of a curve at any given point. And we know that the literature that is here, which is the gradient of a curve, is constantly changing. You can use a tangent to find the gradient of a curve at any point on the curve. The tangent to a curve at a point A is a straight line. It's a straight line that just touches the curve at A. And down there, we can read that the gradient of a curve at a given point is defined as the gradient of the tangent to the curve at that point. What are we saying? Let me explain. We have heard that the most important thing is that there are two things that we must understand. One, the gradient of a curve keeps changing. The gradient of a curve keep changing, as of course the curve changes. And if the curve is like at this shape, you realize the gradient here is different with the gradient here. It is different with the gradient here. That's why we are saying it keeps changing. Point number 2 to note is that the gradient of a curve is equals to the gradient of the tangent of the curve at the point of contact, Of course, when we talk about the gradient, we know what that means, and when we talk about the tangent again, we know what that means. It goes without saying that if we are talking of a curve that looks like this, and there is a point A here, and there is a tangent that we can easily draw a tangent at point A, tangent of the curve at point A. And please remember, the tangent of a curve is a straight line that touches the curve only once. Having heard that, it is very important to note the following. It's quite critical to note the following, that if we have a function, let's say y is equals to x cubed minus 2x plus 1, just to say it's just to say it will have tangents at different points. So this tangent of the curve touches the curve only at point A. So what we are saying is that the gradient of this curve at point A is equals to the gradient of this very tangent. And I want us to just go through an example, or rather example 1, which will be explained in in the next video, and I hope this will be understood. This is preliminary, very important key point. The gradient of a curve keeps changing. Of course, it keeps changing. The gradient of a curve is equal to the gradient of the tangent of the curve at the point of contact. That is very important. The moment you understand that, then you are good to go as far as understanding the differentiation topic is concerned. All right.